Hey guys, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Today, I'll make a full course using tuna head. And the last of the shark. Let's get started.
Oh, it's very big. Woo. Oh. This is Fuji's blade.
Fuji's bread block.
Oh no.
Next, let's use the deba knife. This is not good. Alright, let's use the saw. Oh, I think I can do this. However, this is hard work.
Oh, Tuna done.
It contains a lot of fat, so the saw won't cut immediately.
Oh.
The fat slips my hands. Finally, I was able to cut the tuna head in half.
Oh yeah. Saki.
Half of the tuna head is roasted. In Japanese, it's called kabutoyaki. Kabuto means battle helmet. Prepare and rip for 1 hour.
Salt. Sprinkle salt.
Use the other half to make 3 different dishes. Peel the thick skin and cut out the meat. Tuna head contains many rare parts, but I can only get a few of them. This is the eyeball of tuna. And this is the meat on the cheeks. Scrape the meat around the bones with a spoon.
Hey look, only rare parts. Tongue, cheek, eyeball, and head.
The skin of the tongue is thick, so cut it off with a knife. Insert a knife along the central bone and cut off the meat. Only a little meat can be taken from one tongue. Next is the meat on the crown. This part contains the most fat. Next is the meat on the cheeks. This part has a lot of fiber. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and sake and leave for 30 minutes. After that, stick it on a skewer. You can enjoy bonus texture with this one dish. Anyway, this is a rare dish. Then grill on the wire mesh. It's a lot of fat, so grill it while removing it. It burns well because it has a lot of fat. Burns very well. It's done. Skewered rare parts.
Here's a bonus texture. It's very fine. This is meat.
Next, I'll make a simmered eyeball. Boil quickly in boiling water and then soak in ice water. Drain the water and put it in a pot. Hey, look beautiful like a dry moonstone. Add 100 cc of water, 2 tablespoons of sake, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and add 4 slices of ginger. Put the pot on high heat. Boil over high heat, and when it boils, reduce to low heat. Cover with aluminum foil. By doing this, the broth will spread throughout. After simmering on low heat for 20 minutes, remove the aluminum foil and simmer for 5 minutes while sprinkling the broth. It's done.
This is puru. My skin will be puru tomorrow.
Then get ready for roasting. Arrange charcoal on the barbecue stove. and fire. It's dangerous to do this in the house, so prepare a fire extinguisher. At the same time, make sushi. After cleaning the meat, chop it into small pieces. Add chopped green onions to half of it. Mix well. Add seasoning to the other half. 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, small amount of pepper. Next, roll. Spread vinaigrette rice on the seaweed. Press minced tuna with green onion so that it comes to the center when rolled. Roll from the front. Roll it tightly so that it doesn't lose its shape. Next, make a yuke gunkan maki. The original yuke is Korean food using raw beef. Arrangement with tuna are popular in Japan. Gunkan maki is a type of sushi roll. Gunkan means worship, because it looks like a worship. Cut sushi rolls into 3 cm pieces and serve with yuke gunkan maki. It's done. Sushi combo.
Tasty. Oh, this is more than a otoro. Yuke is very rich taste.
The fire has settled down, so I'll start grilling. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every weekend. The concept is fusion of cooking and visual art. Please subscribe.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, the tuna is burning! Oh no! It was a mistake. Oh, no. I'm sorry, Tuna. I'm sorry. Don't grill tuna head in your house. Thank you for watching. See you next time.